Hi, it's Mal from Techtel at NAB 2025. We're going to have a look at the Cartoni booth now and see some of the amazing cinema photography and broadcast pan-tilt heads and tripods that they've got here at the show. Starting with their Magnum HP, this is kind of like the heavy lifter, the biggest one that they build, and standing on their tripod there, that's for really high payloads. And if you've got an extreme environment, that's definitely one of the ones to look at. But here at the show at NAB 2025, Cartoni is celebrating their 90 years of manufacturing. They build all of their tripods in Rome, family-run business, and this is a great museum piece donated by the American Society of Cinema Photographers. This was used back in 1936. It's incredible. This thing glides effortlessly, and it has this momentum that just keeps it going. It feels so heavy and strong and really built for quality and a long life. Moving over here, we've got their Master 65. This is a really high payload pan-tilt head designed for broadcast kind of workflows, sitting on top of the P70 pedestal. Really beautiful ped here, probably an entry-level ped for a high-end broadcaster. Effortless movement, you can see there just with one hand. When I shift the wheel, it also moves the casters. Really simple setup. I think a lot of broadcasters are going to like to use that. They've got a lot of different payloads for different heads. So the Master 65 comes in a 40 and a 30. And then the Maxima heads, more of a cinematography head as well. Their Focus series is more of the entry level, and they've got quite a few series there, starting from a Focus 8 up to 22, all of those carrying different payloads, generally in the same kilogram weight class as the model number. But finally, let me show you one last thing, and that's E-heads. Encoded heads are really important for virtual graphics, virtual sets, and of course, anyone doing LED volumes in production. You'll need one of these. You'll get pan-tilt information out of the tripod. This data goes into a box that Cartoni makes that consolidates all of that data also from the lens and allows 3D rendering systems to capture that information, plot what the lens and the camera is doing in 3D space, and as you move it around, all of that data is going to flow through the system. If you need any more information about Cartoni tripods, please come to the Techtel website, techtel.com.au. Thanks for listening.